ये कहाँ है? बने wear your mask, no? No compromisation with mask. You need to wear it. Okay, after that. You can create a folder called Bootstrap. Create folder called Bootstrap. Inside the Bootstrap folder, create a folder called Bootstrap. Under the Bootstrap folder, keep some 5-6 photos. In Bootstrap, keep some 5-6 photos. Bootstrap folder, create Bootstrap folder. Under the Bootstrap folder, keep some 5 to 6 photos. Rename 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Rename 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So hope the photo is arranged. Photo we arrange in the folder and we given the.
Sir, we have to create new folder in CSS or out of CSS folder, sir?
Anywhere you create a folder called Bootstrap.
Okay.
Bootstrap folder you create, and under the folder Bootstrap, you store some
Photos.
files. Photo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can keep. If you have no photo, I can send you the photos. Download this and keep in that folder. Mask pehna yaar. Wear your mask. If you don't wear, then I will ask you to go home. Log in from home only. Mean home be mask free. If you come here, then come with the sets, masks and all everything. Okay, so hope the Bootstrap folder is ready and photos are also ready. Now we need to open the website called getbootstrap.com. Getbootstrap.com. Open the website called getbootstrap.com. Open the website getbootstrap.com. 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 Okay. Then after that, you will see a link here called download. Click on download. Getbootstrap.com. Then click on download. After that, you will find a link called download source. Getbootstrap.com. Click on download. After that, in the next screen, we need to click on download source. Download source. Click here. If you click on download source, it will download the zip folder. It will download a zip folder. So ready? Folder will get downloaded. That folder we can copy and keep under the bootstrap folder.
So should we extract there or just copy and paste it there?
Copy that folder and keep under the bootstrap folder. And after that, you need to extract it. It's a zip folder, so you have to extract. Compulsory, we have to extract it. Copy that folder in your bootstrap folder and extract there. You can do the right click and extract all option comes. You can select that, extraction will happen. Clear? Extraction is ready. Extracted. After that, inside you will have a folder called dist. One is the zip folder, another one is unzip folder. Under the unzip folder, we have a folder called dist, correct? This dist folder you copy from here and paste outside, in the sense in main bootstrap folder. This dist folder is inside only, inside the bootstrap 5.3. Go inside, copy that folder and paste under the main folder. So the folder structure will look like this. You will have dist here. It will look like this. Okay. So hope you are ready. We're going on. Ready. So dist folder was inside. We copied that and we pasted under the main folder. See the folder structure. Bootstrap is a folder structure. Inside we have the dist folder and we have some photos folder. Some photos we have, and after that the folder we have downloaded, that is also here only. Bootstrap 5.1, 5.1.3, right? So the Bootstrap 5.1.3, the main entire source code. In that entire source code, we need only their library. So we have taken the library called dist. Later, after 80% of the Bootstrap class, we need some more library that we will take from there, but that is not now. Okay, we need only that dist folder. We need only dist folder as of now. Go under the dist folder. Not happen. Downloaded. Oh, you should say yes, no. Anyone else download is going on? You can reply in chat if download is going on. We can wait for 2 minutes. Okay, done. Then, are you downloading or going on? Mobile internet data, you need to save now. Okay, daily in the morning, don't watch video. Let it be mobile data. You have daily some quota, no? 1 MB, 2 GB, something. After class, you can watch the video. Okay, else once we get up, we start watching the video. All data will spend in morning only, and class time will struggle. So let's keep safe. After class, you can utilize that. Because always we have to download some library, some photos, something here there. Will not stuck in between. Okay, after that, here create a text file. Give the text file name Bootstrap Developer Guide. Bootstrap Developer Guide. Bootstrap Developer Guide. Now open the Bootstrap Developer Guide. So hope your Bootstrap Developer Guide is in the same folder. Open the Developer Guide. Okay. In this we'll create some kind of notes. In this we'll create some kind of notes. Now see the Bootstrap library we have downloaded. What we have in that library, we need to have a look once. So you can go to the dist folder. Go to the dist folder. Under the dist folder, you have one JS folder and one CSS folder. JS folder and CSS folder. Let's go to the CSS folder. Inside the CSS folder, so many CSS files are there. Correct? Many CSS files we have. But out of all, this all CSS we don't require. We need only one file. That is the first one. Bootstrap.css. We need only first file bootstrap.css. So we are able to locate the dist folder. Dist CSS. Inside we have a file bootstrap.css, the main file, first file. Okay, first file. How we used to create our own CSS file? Similar way, this is also a CSS file only. Okay, it is not written by us. It is written by Twitter, twitter.com. Okay, they are given in 2011. Bootstrap came in the market in the year 2011. Now what we will do is bootstrap.css file. Do the right click and open with your editor. Bootstrap.css file. We do click here and open with the editor. And then see in that beginning only is written, it is given by Twitter in the year of 2011. Author is also they only and the introduced by them only. Okay, next after that come down, see from beginning to last total how many lines. 11,000 lines are there, nearly 11,200 lines. These 11,200 lines are start looking just from the bottom. Okay, let's go in the last end of the page. Look at there. We used to write the class using dot. That is here. You can see so many type of classes are there. Not so many types, so many name of the classes. Class names are lot of class names are there. Let's look slowly. Move up. You will see the media query is also written. Plus every line start with the dot only. Dot 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 exclamation important everywhere. Dot 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 exclamation important. Dot exclamation important. Right? So all are the list of the classes. All are list of classes. See how many lines you will see. Wherever you will go, you will find the same. What is that? Class. Wherever we'll go, we'll find the class. Suppose one line is written here, border hyphen success. So in the term of Bootstrap, border meaning is border only. Okay, and success meaning is green. So two lines is combined together. Border hyphen success. The border which color? Green color. Okay, class name is written here. Border bottom, sorry, border color, which color? Green color. Let's go randomly anywhere. Suppose if I come here, opacity how much? 0, meaning the brightness of your image or text or background will be very dull. Like 0 is the lowest brightness, 0.9 is the highest brightness. Go anywhere, anywhere I will scroll and stop. Okay, anywhere will stop. Suppose canvas end, that meaning is what? It will come in the right hand side. Okay, first meaning is beginning, last meaning end, center meaning in between. Anywhere, go somewhere directly. So many list of the classes you will have. See now, in this you will have something parent. See, one class name, two class name, and then three class name. Total how many? Three classes, right? So this is called what? CSS by which method? CSS by tag group. Yes or no? Hello. Hello. Tell me, sir. No. No, sir. Okay, look at here. Next, we will say any line, anywhere. You can see all are based on class only. All are based on class. All are based on class. Is it? All are based on class. See, this is which method again? This is called parent class, and this is called child class. So CSS by parent and child. Okay. Anywhere. See inside. How many parent? This is one parent class. Inside there is one more child class. Inside they are called active. So what you see in this file? In this file you see list of the classes, right? List of the classes. CSS by tag name. If you see this line, TH. What T is some CSS is applied? Here. T body, T head, T foot, TR and TD and TH. For all some common CSS. CSS by tag group. Look down here again, CSS by tag group, input button, select tag, OPT group and text area. For all the common CSS, anywhere. This is role type button. Here select tag we have for that. This is something when we write type equal to button, type equal to reset, type equal to something. For that, this is the CSS. So this file is written in such a way. Field set and legend, you remember? There is here called field set and legend. Text area is here. So this file bootstrap.css file is written in such a way it will fulfill your all type of page designing related requirement. Okay, it has a very good algorithm. That algorithm is called grid system. So if you understand the grid system, that meaning 70% bootstrap you understood. Remaining 30% you need to remember the class name, and according to need we need to write it. So how many classes should be there in this file? How many classes should be in this file? Class name. So, line is 11,000. You can't estimate. You can't estimate. Okay. So at least 400, 500 class name, if you remember, then you can design a very good page. Okay. How much? 4 to 500 class, if you remember, class 9. No, nothing to worry. Today you are going to remember 100 plus. Today you will remember 100 plus in one day. Okay, and guarantee you will remember till tomorrow also. Okay, here all you will remember, no need to write. Okay, the class names are very clean, systematic way they have written. Okay, so at least nearly 200 class name if you remember, then you will start the working. 200 class name once we remember, then we can start creating the page. And 400, 500 class name if you remember, then you can design awesome page. Okay, if anyone will say, okay, this is my design, you can say no problem. I have remember all the class name. Okay, so that way. So when we learn the Bootstrap, you are not going to write the CSS code in this. CSS code is already written. Now we are going to remember which class for what purpose. And another one, the algorithm of the Bootstrap. When you are going to write the HTML and CSS, algorithm we need to remember. Based on algorithm, we need to apply the list of the classes, which class is for which purpose. That is the Bootstrap. Okay. So come, we will create one test file. If the test file work properly, after that, you can use it easily. Okay. So we will create a file and give the file name called test.html and store the file under the Bootstrap folder, not under the CSS folder. Test.html. Test.html. Create the file test.html under the Bootstrap folder. Bootstrap folder. Here you can see I have created the file here. In which folder? Bootstrap. Test file and dist folder both are at the same place. Okay, after creating the file, go to the folder and verify once the file is there in the folder or not. Nowadays in the market, how you have the craze of the React or Angular? We have a craze no in the market. Every company calls, they ask only Angular UI developer only, React something front end back end. 2011 the Bootstrap came. Okay, I was employee of here, Cessna Business Parks, Cisco. Then when it came in the market, it's become like how the petrol will get sprayed in the places. Similar way, Bootstrap like it's become a very famous. Every interview question from the two technology only, jQuery and Bootstrap. You know the Bootstrap? You know the jQuery? From jQuery 4-5 question, from Bootstrap 2-3 question. Okay, done. Come. Okay. Because till 2011, the development structure was very complicated. One day we used to write the code and 3 days we used to fix the problem. One day you write the code and 3 days fix the problem. Manager, client was saying in one day, don't write more than 3 hours code. In one day, if you write more than 3 hours code, then your code quality will be poor. Before lunch, only write the code. After lunch, don't write the code. That was the structure. Code will become poor, standard will become poor. Okay, that again depends company to company. All company will not say write before lunch only. They'll say while leaving the office also write the code. Before leaving, you write the code and go. Okay, so what you can say, before Bootstrap, the project website application development structure was like, first we need to develop the application for desktop. And after that, once the desktop application will be released, it will launch, it will become live, start working functionality, then same developer will create the second project for the mobile app. Okay, 2 projects. One project for mobile app, another project for not mobile app, for mobile. Mobile app is different. And for the mobile, we open the website, that is a different. And after that, both the code will be in the server. We need to write a analytics kind of code in the server. Once any request will come from the any device to the server, to the particular website, the analytics code will identify the request has come from the mobile phone or laptop. If the request has come from the laptop, then okay, abcd.com. If the request has come from the mobile phone, then redirect to m.abcd.com. M is nothing but name of the folder. Inside the code is according to mobile. Okay, m.abcd.com. Under the abcd.com only there is a folder called m. Inside that code is according to mobile, light code. And there only the code is for the mobile desktop, something heavy code. Okay. So development cost was how many times? 2 times. One time for the desktop and second time for the mobile app. So next, when the Bootstrap came in the market, Bootstrap said like, don't do double expense. Okay, no need to write the code how many times? 2 times. You write only one time. After that, follow my algorithm. Instead of writing your own CSS, you follow my algorithm. And after that, upload your project in the server. Let the user to open. My CSS will identify what is the device, and according to device width, the content will get rearranged. Okay, so what will happen in mobile phone? Only one product will come in one line, whereas in laptop 3 product will come in one line. Media query, if you remember from the CSS. Okay, same media query is going to play the major role under the Bootstrap. Right. So next, that is the see. It is not like every company follow the Bootstrap. Many company will not follow the Bootstrap. They will ask their developer to create the CSS. Okay, so when you are creating your own CSS, you have to follow the media query. If there is no such kind of restriction, no, you should not use the Bootstrap, then you can use also. Okay, so let's come to that test file and understand how this is. Okay, but using Bootstrap, you can design the page very perfect. Nowadays, if you open the page, open any website, like suppose 100 website you open, in that close to 90 website will be using the Bootstrap, 90 website, 90. Okay, if some developer will say I'm not using the Bootstrap, still he has taken the code from the Bootstrap only. Okay, suppose button code. They will open some website, copy the code, add in the page, and they say this is my code. What is your code here? You have copied from there only. No? Okay. Many places, even we have worked, the company used to say no, don't use the Bootstrap. Write your own. That much experience is not there. How the developer will write their own, and you are forcing them within 1 hour, 2 hours do that. So developer will open this file. Which file? This file. Copy this file, paste into our page. Okay. Copy the file, paste into our page. Find out this dot, and dot replace with the ABC dot ABC. Let's suppose your company name is called XYZ. So what will do? Find out the dot and replace everything with the dot XYZ. Now what will happen? You will say this is not Bootstrap. This is my code. This is my code. Okay. Bootstrap people will write this class. Pop up over. You will write XYZ pop up over. Correct or not? So you will say this is my own CSS. Where you have taken from? You have taken from there only. Okay. Many developer, designer and all, like they will do like this only. Okay. Famous project people do like that. They will copy the code from there only, rename the class. CSS property is not reserved for anyone. No? You can also write, I can also write. Class name should not be same. Class name will be different. That's so we can say this is my own code. Okay, so that technique I have guided you. In the future, if someone says like that, write your own. Then if you are unable to write, what to do? Take awesome feature from here only. Whichever the portion you want, suppose you want to design a form. Take the form code, form CSS, paste in the file, change the class name. Say like awesome, it's very good. Same like Bootstrap. It's written by me. Understood, no? Okay, let's go next time. So hope clear in the future how to copy and paste. In case if anyone say like no, you can write your own code. So what you will do? Suppose for legend, you want to write your own. So we'll not use the legend. We'll say my legend. We'll change the class name as my legend. Copy the same code from here, add in your same look will come. If anyone will say, are you using the Bootstrap? Will say, no, I'm not using Bootstrap. It's my own file. Okay. Come to the test file. Start from HTML. Write their head section and follow inside the head called link. Rel equal to style sheet. HRES equal to, see the technique I have given you. In case in project requirement, if the people is saying don't write, don't use the Bootstrap. And if you are able to write your own CSS, no problem, you can follow your own. In case if you are unable to write, still someone is forcing you, no, it should like this only. Then what to do? Feature are ready made, no, already. You can search in Bootstrap, particular feature, particular, so many things will come. Open the file, download it, go to the CSS, find out the class, copy the class, paste in your CSS. After that, modify the class, then that's all. Color, some change if you want to do, you can change. Border, you want to change something. Okay, so that will reduce your stress. You will not be overloaded by the someone, over pressurized by someone. Solution will be there. Okay, we should not feel like I'm unable to write. Unable to write, that's fine. Yeah, there is a copy from there, paste in that, and just say it's there. Change that something. Okay. Okay, so hope you wrote head open close link REL. Now this file is available under the Bootstrap, and under the Bootstrap folder only we have a dist also. So you have to give the address here, dist / like within the same folder there is a dist folder also. So we are saying in the current folder, go under the dist and look, there is a folder called CSS. Under the CSS there is a file called bootstrap strap.css. Right after that, come down below, open the body tab, and for body tab, right here, class equal to bg-primary. bg-primary. Class equal to bg-primary. bg-primary. Okay, ready bg-primary. Save the file. Check your page is coming in blue color. Yes, no reply should come. The page background should come blue color. This file is just to test whether your page is on proper place or not. The CSS folder all are in place, proper place or not. You can reply yes, no in the chat. We'll be able to understand. Yes, you are on the track. 8 people replied something. Hope all are following. Anyone not working or working? Working. Okay, it should look like this. See, if you only watch, 100% sure Bootstrap will be bounced for you. You need to follow that. I have not gone very fast speed. According to your speed, I just very good. One person replied, not working, not working, not working, not working. Whoever is not working, check your file. Is it in the current folder or somewhere else you have stored? I've sent you this link. Replace that, again reply. Replace the link and then reply in the chat. Is it working? And this line, every time you copy paste, if right means error will come. Keep somewhere, copy and paste whenever you need. I have sent you one line in your chat. Please replace in the file and then check once. And reply Tejasvi Gowda. And after that, who is next? Prepare. Then see here, this is a file where you do a lot of mistakes. Okay. Here, test folder and test both are in one place. You have in one place or you have kept some other place. You can reply quickly. If it is one place, then it will not say like that. Okay, I will share the code now, complete code. Replace all and then check. Replace the code, complete, save it. Then again, let me know. Be little present. When you write the code, when you see something, development is something else work, no? Due to one small dot, the plane will go to China. One comma will be extra. Location will be wrong or not?
Yeah, it will be.
Changing the location of that image. Okay, house. Okay, Google is able to understand. House number 24 and comma and second floor. It is saying no, I don't know where is this address. They should know Google marking. When we mark the address, we have to give the location. Then the Google will track through something. So when I was marking, this building number is 24. Second floor is 24 space second floor is able to understand. 24 comma second floor, Google is saying don't know where is this. Meaning is what? One comma, what is the meaning of one comma? One comma meaning is a lot. Okay. One comma and one single quote, meaning you will understand once you become developer. Okay, let's go. So this file test is working and your file is available in the current folder and it is giving the background is a blue color. So we have follow a class called BG Primary. BG Primary come from this file, bootstrap.css file. Okay, inside that 10-12 class names are there that will help us to change the different kind of color combination. So instead of writing lot of code here there directly, first we will understand some grid system. What is the grid system? And after that, few classes for color combination, few classes for margin padding, and after that we'll come to the example. Okay, then we'll write example will be helpful for you. Else directly suppose we wrote BG primary. Now what else are there? We don't know. So before writing the example, we'll make a proper notes or few classes. And while writing the note, you will remember automatically. They have made the class name very simple. Come to the developer guide, Bootstrap developer guide. Okay. In Bootstrap developer guide, right. Bootstrap. If anywhere you get the chance to write a single line definition, you will write like this. Bootstrap is a library of CSS. This line is 100% true. Okay, when we say book library, what we find there? Only books, correct? When we say something else, blood bank, what we find there? Only blood. When we go to the medicine shop, pharmacy, we find only medicine. So once you go to the bootstrap.css file, you will find only CSS code. That is called Bootstrap is a library of CSS. This line is 100% true. Okay. If anywhere you need to write a single line answer for Bootstrap, then we can say directly Bootstrap is a library of CSS. Or while talking with someone, if anyone asks, okay, tell me about this HTML, CSS, all house, we can say HTML for this purpose, CSS for this purpose. Bootstrap is a library of CSS, correct? Okay. If you want to make the sentence little more advanced, then you can write like this. Bootstrap is a framework. Framework of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. JavaScript, JavaScript. Now in future, suppose if any difference come in front of you, what is the difference between library and framework? Look at here. We have written the Bootstrap is a library of CSS. That meaning when we look under the bootstrap.css file, we'll find only CSS code. Okay, so wherever we see the one type of functionality or one kind of something, then we can say the library. Example, your React is not a framework. React is a library of JavaScript. Using JavaScript code, you can do everything. Okay, but at the same time, if anyone asks what is Angular, Angular is not library of JavaScript. It is library, it's a framework of JavaScript. So look at here. I have written a line. Bootstrap is a library of CSS. This line is 100% true. Another line is saying like, when you are going to use the Bootstrap somewhere, only Bootstrap will not help you. What you have to do? HTML also, and CSS also, and along with JavaScript also. So when you combine multiple things together to achieve a particular functionality, then it is called a framework. When you write the single thing somewhere, then it is called a library. Okay, so now if you are saying like React is a library of JavaScript, that meaning we can understand, okay, React when I am writing, only JavaScript code is sufficient. But when we say that Angular is the framework of JavaScript, that meaning what is said, only Angular is not sufficient, only JavaScript is not sufficient. Along with JavaScript, something else also get mixed together. TypeScript will come, something will come, something will come. Then it will be complete one. Okay. So combination of multiple functionality together, you can say as a framework. And set of one functionality is called as a library. Okay. Both line is true. You can write both the line if anyone asks. You can write Bootstrap is a library of CSS, or you can write Bootstrap is a framework of CSS, HTML, and JavaScript. Okay. If you write here one line, that will be more helpful. That is called first framework. Bootstrap is the first framework of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay. Came in 2011 by Twitter. 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 Okay. Twitter. JavaScript came in 2011, or came in, or you can write given by. Given by Twitter in 2011. So ready? Go ahead next. Now Bootstrap, you can write Bootstrap is a collection of CSS classes. Bootstrap is a collections of CSS predefined classes. Predefined classes. Bootstrap is a collections of CSS predefined classes. Bootstrap is designed, DESIGNED, designed based on grid system. SYSTM, grid system. Bootstrap is based on grid system. GRID, grid. Bootstrap is designed based on grid system. Now, grid system, what is that? Grid SYSTM, grid system. Okay. Grid system is nothing but टाइट हो मैं इसको लूज किया क्लियर और टाइट हो जाएगा और टाइट हो गया okay grid system now grid system right here grid system has divided all the device in six types according to screen size Bootstrap grid system has divided all the device in six types according to a screen size. Like suppose mobile phone is a small one, laptop is little bigger, tab is in between, and then you can say your large, we have many different type of a screen, mini laptop. So Bootstrap grid system says like if you look into all the devices and if you want your page should work in all the devices, then first you have to analyze what type of device are available in the market. So according to Bootstrap survey, all the devices are going to be of six types. Okay, the one extra small, I think it should start with the EX. Extra small. Second one is called as a small. Third one is called as a medium. Next is called as a large. Fifth is called as extra large. extra large. And the sixth one is called as a extra large. Extra large. Okay, triple X, double X, not triple X. Hope written. So, how many type of devices? Total 6 types of devices. Inside that, we have extra small, small, large, extra large, and many more. Grid system basic. Okay. Two size name has come newly. Let me see that. 1200 to 1400 and then 570. Okay, let's come now. So that is called those device whose screen size is 1 pixel to 576 pixel. 576 pixel. Okay, if the screen size is window size is where to where 1 to 576, that is called as a extra small. That is your mobile phone. Okay, after that 577 px2 700 something 768 px. This is called as a small device. After that 769 px2 to 992 px is called as a medium device according to Bootstrap survey. Okay. After that 993 px to 1200 px is called as a large device. Okay. After that 1201 px2 1400 is called as a extra large, and after that greater than 1401 px is called as a extra large. So this is the screen size that is available in the market. Window size according to Bootstrap survey, they said like, okay, your total whichever the device the user is going to browse your page, if you think like this in this measurement, then your page will be proper. It will work in all the devices. So then what is the grid system? If anyone asks what is the grid system, we can say grid system is the algorithm name of the Bootstrap. Grid system is the name of the algorithm in the Bootstrap. What that say? It says like total whichever the devices are available in the market, Bootstrap 5 has divided into 6 types. Extra small, medium, large, extra large, and double extra large. Range, if you remember, excellent. If you not remember, then also no problem. Come down below now. Bootstrap grid system says like for each type of devices. So total how many types of device we have? 6 types of device we have. So Bootstrap grid system says like for each type of device, we have given you 12 classes, 12 class name for each device, for each type of device. So for extra small, 12 class, for a small also 12 class, for a medium also 12 class, for large also 12 class, for extra large also 12 class, and for XL also 12 classes. So how many? 72 total? Yes. 72. That 72 you will remember within 5 minutes. Let's go. Right there. Bootstrap has given Bootstrap grid system. Grid system has given Bootstrap grid system has given total 12 classes for each device. Bootstrap grid system has given total 12 classes for each device. Okay, given total 12 classes for each device. So 12 classes for each device. Okay, it's not like same class, extra class is applicable for SN. For extra small is different and for small is different. Right for the first one, that is for extra small. For the extra small. Okay, for extra small we have list of the classes like this. Call, you can write the dot call -1, dot call -2, dot call -3. How this 1 to 3 works, that we are going to discuss. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Just change that. 1 to 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 9, then 10, 11, 12. These 12 classes, whenever you open the laptop website in the mobile phone, this 12 classes is going to help you to rearrange the content according to device. Okay, if you open in the website in the mobile phone, this particular 12 classes is going to help you. This particular 12 classes is going to help you. So, what is the class name? Call -1 to call -12. Easy to remember. For which device? Extra small. Copy this second one. Add here. For a small, the class name will be dot call -sm-1, call -sm-2, call sm1, call sm2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Please make a note. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is for a small and that is for extra small. Clear? So how many class name came in the list? 24 class. There is nothing to remember in that. Call -1 to 12 and here call -sm2, call -sm12. SM for a small. Go next. Right, next one, medium. We need to add this, the name of the You will follow dot call hyphen md hyphen 1 dot call hyphen md hyphen 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So call 1 to 12, call SM 1 to 12, call MD 1 to 12. Look like easy to remember? Now only you remember 36 class name. Okay. Once you write, you will remember easily. Next, call LG. Hope everyone is writing. See, Bootstrap developer guide, I never share with anyone. I am writing for my purpose. You write for your own purpose. Clear? Okay. Now, why question is why I am writing? I am writing because of that you should write. Else I have already one file. I have finished in the 9:30 batch today only. I will open that guide and I'll show you and then we'll say bye and we'll go home. So I'm writing so that you will write. If you write, you will remember. Okay. Okay. Call LG start from 1. Call hyphen LG hyphen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Please make a note. Clear? Go ahead. So call LG also we follow. Next we have call XL, extra large. Instead of LG, you can follow the XL. Instead of LG class, you can follow the XL. Call hyphen XL. Click here, please write it. Once you're done, let me know. Then I'll move from LG onwards.
Your voice is breaking.